have expensive cars, or do you plan to buy one for yourself? On today's video, we have listed the most expensive cars in the world. Lamborghini Veneno Roadster, $4.5 million. This Lamborghini Veneno Roadster is sold for around $4.5 million. It is equipped with a V12 configurations engine with a capacity of 6,500 cc, capable of generating power of 750 HP and a maximum torque of 690 Nm. This power is connected to 7-speed automatic transmissions with all-wheel drive. Koenigsegg CCXR Trevita, $4.8 million. This supercar is supported by a supercharged twin V8 engine with 4,800 cc capacity. It can also produce up to 1,000 HP and a maximum torque of 1,080 Nm. You can also accelerate from 0 to 100 kph in just 2.9 seconds by riding this supercar. The top speed of this car can reach more than 400 kph. Bugatti Divo, $5.8 million. The name Divo on this car's name was derived from a French racer, Albert Divo. This is an appreciation from Bugatti from him after he won the Targa Florio race in 1920. Packs with an 8,000 cc engine with 1,479 HP or 1,600 Nm of torque. This supercar is one of the fastest supercars nowadays. This supercar is also packed with aerodynamics design which attracts a lot of attention from youngsters. Mercedes-Benz Maybach Accelero, $8 million. Packs with 5,900 cc V12 biturbo engine. This supercar can produce a maximum power of 690 HP and a torque of 1020 Nm. It also has 5G tronic automatic transmissions and accelerations that can reach 100 kph in 4.4 seconds. The maximum speed of this supercar is 351 kph. Rolls-Royce Swiftail, $13 million. This supercar from Rolls-Royce is packed with V12 engine with 6,750 cc capacity that can produce 453 HP and 719 Nm of torque. The accelerations of this supercar can reach 100 kph in just 5.6 seconds. The maximum speed of this car is 241 kph. This luxurious supercar is also packed with luxurious features and extraordinary exterior.